Ever had that one project you can't get around doing? You just keep procrastinating, postponing. But today we are definitely on it, guys. We're going to be tackling this pantry. And as you guys can see, my pantry is a mess. It's a complete disaster. And I mean, if you have kids, you already know the drill, because immediately you're done cleaning, organizing, and arranging, the very next minute they are messing up the whole thing. So this pantry I actually organized at the beginning of the year, I believe in January, but as you guys can see, the whole pantry is a disaster. Apart from not even knowing what I have or not knowing what have gone bad, you know, foods that have expired, I barely know what is in there, especially expired food. So also it needed a very nice cleaning. So as you guys can see, I took out everything and we're just going to quickly clean it out, vacuum up all the crumbs, and then we're going to go ahead and just clean it out. I'm going to spray and then wipe down the shelves, get it looking nice and clean. If you watched this pantry's renovation, that is after we bought the house, you remember that this pantry wasn't like this. It had kind of a wire shelves on it, which I wasn't like a fan of. So we decided to add our own shelves. And one thing I always struggle with whenever I'm like maybe looking for products or items in this pantry is the fact that, you know, I'm not able to see towards the back. So I decided to pick up these lights from Amazon. They are rechargeable, very easy to use. As you guys can see, I just put kind of a magnet under. It comes with a magnet, and then you just put all the lights. Look at this, like it looks far better, guys. Like I just love the fact that that light added a lot of ambience also to the pantry. And of course, we're going to proceed to filling up our organizers. I mean, if you follow my channel, you guys know I'm obsessed. Like I love having everything in its place, you know, having organizers. You guys know I love my cleaning, you know, my organization. And of course, I'm just going to put all the food items in places where they're supposed to be. As you guys can see, I have these like transparent containers. I have my spaghetti, my gari. If you're Nigerian, shout out. I have my jabo gari and my yellow gari, and also I have my beans. And over here, I absolutely love this cereal dispenser. The kids, they love it. And also I love the fact that like it makes it so much easier for the kids to take their cereal. It preserves it so well. And yeah, as you guys can see, I'm going to go ahead and put in the kids cereal, cover it, and of course we're just going to put everything in the places where they are supposed to be. I am a huge fan, especially when it comes to like maybe my spice cabinet, my pantry. I love keeping everything organized, so that way once you enter the pantry, it's very easy for you to pick out whatever it is you're looking for. Like if you're cooking, you already know where all your ingredients and all your products are. It makes home management so much easier. And like I said, of course, kids are gonna be kids, but it also helps with kind of training the kids to know that, you know, it's good to have everything organized, so that way things are not all over the place. You know, having everything organized and in its place, it really does help with it helps with my day, it helps with my mental health. But yeah, as you guys can see, after I put in all the like spaghetti and things in their transparent containers, I have these two baskets here. I absolutely love it, and I use these baskets for like maybe my tomatoes, my mayonnaise, all the canned products, my peas, my sweet corn, you know, all the cans. This is exactly where I have them, and it's like, you know, it's so easy for you to know where everything is. And of course, if you are enjoying this video, kindly hit that like button below and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. You guys know, like, I love the fact that I'm able to, teach women how to be a homemaker, how to manage their home. I love cleaning, organizing, all those good stuff, guys. So of course, as you guys can see, I kind of have different things for storing different items in my pantry. So as you guys can see, I have this kind of wire I don't know if I should say baskets, and for these ones I love to add in like my pancake syrup, my salad dressing, my my pepper, my liquid pepper, all those good stuff. And of course, once I go ahead and add up everything, as you guys can see, I brought in my cereal dispenser, and also I am in love with this I should say wired organizer too. I mean, guys, if you notice, like, if you have perishable goods, you would know that your perishable goods, they get bad so easily. And I love the fact that these, when I store my onion, my potato, my plantain, my mango, whatever perishable goods it is on this display right here, it lets it air out. You guys know one of the reasons why like perishable goods go bad so easily is the fact that, especially when you leave them in their bags, when they feel suffocated, that is when they start going bad. So I love the fact that I have these I don't even know the right word, the baskets, the wire baskets, so it makes it so much easier for my perishable goods to last much longer, guys. And yeah, as you guys can see, I'm adding up my potato, my plantains, and then we're gonna go ahead and just finish up with these are like more like these kid snacks. So I have these two baskets right here. I'm gonna go ahead and add up all their chips, their potato chips, their whatever chips, I add those up in there. And then also I'm gonna add what is this called again? Their fruit snack. Ace is a lover of fruit snacks, so I love to kind of interchange it for them, especially for their snack for school. So yeah, guys, once I add that in there, and as you guys can see, my pantry is looking so good. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and of course, don't forget to hit that like button below and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. I am in love, like, oh my goodness, look at that light. As you guys can see, those Amazon lights I added, they just give a lot more light in the pantry. But yep, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and till my next one, I will see you all very soon. And oh guys, if you're interested in any of the organizers, definitely check out my description box, or you can check out my shop LTK page. I mean, in my shop LTK page, there is nothing you will see on me or you will see in my home that are not linked there. So if there is anything you ever see in my videos, definitely check out my shop LTK page. The link is in my description box. And I believe that is all there is, you guys. Until my next video, I will see you all very soon. I love you. Bye.